Hey, if you want to customize your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL home screen, for sure you can do this. So first of all, let's start from clicking and holding empty space on the home screen and go into the home settings. So as you can see, first of all, you can enable or disable the notification dots, which is located right here. So what it does, like, take a look right here above the messages icon. We got this dot, and if you want to get rid of it, you can just click here and there we go, you will don't have it. So this is the first customization option. Here we can also find at a glance, and we can for sure turn it on and turn it off. If you turn it on, it will give you some information about the weather, about the temperature in the night, but of course you can switch it off by clicking here. And if you wonder if you can even get rid of it, yes, you can do this, but only if you install new launcher. If you don't know how to do this, I've got second video on my channel how you can actually do this. So let's move forward. Right here we can add a new icons to the home screen. So each time you are downloading something from the Google Play Store, it will be right here on your home screen. So decide if you want to actually turn it on and off. You can also swipe to access the Google application, which is located here. If you want to turn it off, you can for sure do this. And now we don't have this screen. Now we've got also some kind of the overview suggestions, but now I will actually focus on this customization right here. So you can click on the icons. If you want to get rid of them, you can just simply remove, but you can also try to move some of these apps as your widget. So let's remove everything. There we go. And I would like to also remove all of these apps. Yeah, I don't want to uninstall, I just want to remove them. Unfortunately, we cannot select and remove every application. We have to do this one by one. There we go. So that's how we can do this. And after you remove last of this icon, you will also delete the home screen. So as you can see, now we've got only one screen. And if you want to put something here, like for example the widgets, for sure you can do this. So maybe I would like to get some kind of the extension from Google Chrome, like the Chrome shortcuts. So now I can quickly, for example, open the incognito mode if I want. And if I want to actually put some apps and create the folder, I can also do this by dragging one of the icon above another one. The folder will be created, and we can also change the name. There we go. And now we can move this folder wherever you want. And when you go into the settings, then open wallpaper and style. And then when you move into the go to the home screen. So now we can get the upgrade, so we can get more space on the screen. Take a look. It's wider right now. Or we can get it really small with really big icons. So we can decide which one you want to get. And also we can turn on the themed icons, which looks like this. And that will be all right now. Please subscribe and see you in my next videos.